Best diesel motor oils. Are you looking for the best diesel motor oils? In this video we will look at some of the best diesel motor oils on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description, so make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. Number 1. Chevron Delo 400 XLE 15W40 Oil. The Delo 400 XLE 15W40 is a premium synthetic blend diesel engine oil designed for heavy-duty applications, offering a balance of performance, durability, and value. This oil is formulated using Chevron's isosin advanced technology, which combines premium base oils with high-performance additives to provide extended engine life and optimized wear protection. Ideal for both on-highway and off-highway diesel engines, the Delo 400 XLE meets or exceeds API CK4, CJ4, CI4+, and SN specifications, making it compatible with older and modern engines, including those with EGR, exhaust gas recirculation, DPF, diesel particulate filters, and SCR, selective catalytic reduction, emission systems. This makes it a versatile choice for fleets and heavy-duty equipment requiring reliable performance under high stress and extreme conditions. The 15W40 viscosity grade offers excellent high-temperature stability and low-temperature pumpability, making it suitable for a wide range of operating environments. It helps control soot and piston deposits, ensures oxidation resistance, and promotes longer oil drain intervals when used as recommended. Packaged in a 1-gallon jug, this single unit is convenient for individual oil changes or topping off between maintenance cycles. The Delo 400 XLE is trusted by professionals in trucking, construction, agriculture, and industrial sectors for delivering consistent engine protection and performance. In summary, Delo 400 XLE 15W40 is a high-quality, synthetic blend diesel engine oil that ensures engine cleanliness, wear protection, and emission system compatibility, making it a dependable choice for demanding diesel engine applications. Number 2. AC Delco DexosD 0W20 Oil Change Kit for Duramax Diesel LM2. The Delco DexosD 0W20 engine oil and oil filter change kit is a complete and OEM-recommended solution specifically tailored for the 3.0L Duramax diesel LM2 engine found in select GM vehicles. This kit includes high-quality Delco DexosD approved 0W20 full synthetic engine oil along with a genuine Delco oil filter, ensuring optimal performance, protection, and compatibility with the engine's needs. The DexosD 0W20 oil is engineered to meet the stringent requirements of modern diesel engines. It offers enhanced fuel efficiency, low-temperature fluidity, and superior oxidation stability. Its advanced formulation helps reduce engine deposits, control soot buildup, and protect vital engine components under both normal and severe driving conditions. This makes it ideal for the turbocharged LM2 diesel engine, ensuring smooth operation, improved engine life, and maximum reliability. The included Delco oil filter is designed to meet OEM standards for filtration and flow, capturing harmful contaminants without restricting oil flow. This helps maintain oil cleanliness and supports extended oil change intervals when following GM's recommended service schedule. This oil and filter change kit is a convenient, all-in-one package for routine maintenance, giving owners and technicians confidence in using components specifically designed and tested for the LM2 engine. Whether for DIY use or professional servicing, it provides peace of mind by ensuring the use of genuine, high-performance parts. In summary, this Delco kit delivers factory-approved quality and protection for the 3.0L Duramax LM2 diesel engine, promoting long-term performance, efficiency, and engine health. Number 3. Mobil 1 Turbo Diesel Truck Oil. Mobil 1 Turbo Diesel Truck 5W40 is a full synthetic motor oil engineered for modern diesel engines, offering superior protection, performance, and cleanliness under extreme operating conditions. Designed for both light-duty and heavy-duty diesel trucks, this oil meets or exceeds the requirements of API CK4, CJ4, CI4+, and CH4 service categories, making it compatible with a wide range of diesel engines, including those with exhaust after-treatment systems such as DPF, diesel particulate filters, and SCR, selective catalytic reduction. Formulated with advanced synthetic base oils and high-performance additives, Mobil 1 Turbo Diesel Truck Oil provides excellent wear protection, thermal stability, and oxidation resistance, which help prolong engine life and minimize maintenance needs. It also delivers outstanding soot and deposit control, keeping critical engine components clean and reducing sludge formation even in high-stress, high-load conditions. With its 5W40 viscosity, this oil ensures excellent cold start performance while maintaining strong lubrication at high temperatures, making it suitable for year-round use. It supports extended oil drain intervals when used in accordance with manufacturer guidelines, helping reduce downtime and overall operating costs. Packaged in a 1-gallon jug, it is ideal for individual oil changes or top-offs for diesel pickups, SUVs, vans, and commercial trucks. Trusted by both fleet managers and individual diesel owners, Mobil 1 Turbo Diesel Truck 5W40 is a go-to solution for demanding diesel applications. In summary, Mobil 1 Turbo Diesel Truck 5W40 offers premium synthetic protection and high-performance reliability for diesel engines operating in the toughest environments. Number 4. Schaeffer 9000 CK4-006S Diesel Engine Oil. The Schaeffer 9000 CK4-006S Synshield OTR Plus is a premium full synthetic diesel engine oil formulated for heavy-duty on-road and off-road diesel engines. With a 5W40 viscosity, it ensures reliable performance in a wide range of temperatures, offering excellent cold start protection and strong high-temperature stability. This oil is built to meet or exceed API CK4, CJ4, CI4+, and SN specifications, making it compatible with modern low-emission engines equipped with EGR, exhaust gas recirculation, DPF, diesel particulate filter, and SCR, selective catalytic reduction, systems. It's also backwards compatible with older engines, making it a versatile solution across fleets. Schaeffer's Synshield OTR Plus stands out for its advanced additive chemistry, which includes molybdenum and other friction-reducing agents that minimize wear and improve fuel efficiency. Its strong detergency and dispersant properties help control soot and sludge, ensuring cleaner engine internals and longer service life. Additionally, it provides excellent oxidation resistance and shear stability, maintaining its protective qualities even under extended drain intervals and severe operating conditions. Packaged in a 1-gallon bottle, it is ideal for individual use in trucks, heavy equipment, or industrial diesel engines. This oil is trusted by professionals who demand maximum protection, fuel savings, and engine cleanliness. In summary, Schaeffer's Synshield OTR Plus 5W40 is a high-performance, full synthetic diesel engine oil that delivers superior wear protection, engine cleanliness, and extended durability, making it a top-tier choice for high-demand diesel operations. Number 5. Shell Rotella T6 Full Synthetic 5W40 Diesel Engine Oil. Shell Rotella T6 5W40 Full Synthetic Motor Oil is a premium heavy-duty engine oil designed to deliver exceptional protection and performance for diesel and gasoline engines in demanding conditions. This 3-pack of 1-gallon containers offers excellent value and convenience for personal or fleet maintenance. Formulated with advanced full synthetic base oils and a proprietary additive system, Rotella T6 meets or exceeds API CK4, CJ4, CI4+, and SN service categories, ensuring compatibility with a wide range of modern diesel engines, including those equipped with EGR, DPF, and SCR emission systems. It's also suitable for certain gasoline engines requiring a heavy-duty oil. One of Rotella T6's key strengths is its Triple Protection Plus technology, which enhances engine wear protection, improves deposit control, and resists breakdown under high temperatures. The 5W40 viscosity grade offers excellent cold weather performance for quick startups, while maintaining strong lubrication in high heat conditions. It also helps reduce engine friction, which may lead to improved fuel economy compared to conventional 15W40 oils. Rotella T6 is known for superior shear stability, oxidation resistance, and soot control, making it ideal for trucks, SUVs, tractors, and other heavy-duty equipment operating in harsh or high-load environments. The inclusion of synthetic additives helps extend oil life and supports longer drain intervals when used according to manufacturer recommendations. In summary, Shell Rotella T6 5W40 Full Synthetic offers top-tier protection, extended performance, and versatility in a convenient 3-gallon pack, perfect for diesel owners seeking durability and reliability in every mile.